12 amazing health benefits of elderberry tea to boost your immune system. Hello and welcome to Jada Therapy. Elderberry tea is brilliant in flushing out toxins from the body, which makes it really good for conditions like urinary tract infections. It helps to reduce the pain during urination. It is good for helping to heal the gut by controlling the bad bacteria in the gut that can affect your general health. 12 amazing health benefits of elderberry tea to boost your immune system. Anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, anti-catarrh, treats colds and flus, treats cystitis, treats urinary tract infections, UTI, treats bladder infections, reduces allergy symptoms, such as hay fever, improves digestive health, aids congestion, helps to flush out bacteria in the body, reduces burning and pain during urination. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and for more information check out the links in the description below.